chocolate mousse with 2 ingredients, one of the most delicious chocolate mousse, 2 ingredients, vegan, sugar-free, gluten-free. Let's do it together, and as you see, you can make amazing presentation. All you need 4 ribbed banana, 100 gram of chocolate. I use 70% chocolate. I melted in microwave or bain-marie, and then we bring 4 ripe banana. You can add it 3 if you want, but 4 is nice, almost 300 gram. Then you soften with the spoon or fork. Even you can mix all of them in KitchenAid or blender. When becomes soft, you added the 100 gram, 70% of dark chocolate. So it's vegan, it's gluten-free, and believe me, the taste is marvelous. You mix it all together, then you smooth it again with the hand mixer. All you need just a mold. You can add it to any mold you wish. Then you freeze it overnight. This quantity exactly 4.5 portions of round mold. You shake it to take the bubble out, then you freeze it overnight. After 24 hours, you can just decorate it with cacao powder and pinch of flour.